What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Whiskey Friday video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my vaccination journey. Yes, I got vaccinated. Now, I know that this may be a very sensitive topic for a lot of persons because everyone has their own opinion on it, and I mean, yes, everyone is entitled to their own opinion, but like I said, I got vaccinated. For me, there's not much into it. I got vaccinated because I wanted to get vaccinated. I got vaccinated because I feel like there was always vaccines, so what's the big deal with this one? As well as this one is said to protect you from the coronavirus that's going around, that is drastically ending lives and stuff, so it helps you to fight the virus. It does not stop you from getting the virus, but like I said, for me, I feel like there is nothing to it. I did it because I wanted to do it. So yeah, I did this last month. It was not that long ago. I have little clips here and there. I don't remember what I recorded fully, but I do know that I have clips literally when I just finished got the shot, because I did not want to record the person giving me the vaccine. I just took it, picked the phone up once I got the injection. But yeah, I think I did a little bit of explanation. I did some explaining in the videos. I don't remember what I was saying in depth, but I am going to add the clip now. I am going to get vaccinated, y'all. I am planning to take the Pfizer vaccine. Now, my battery is about to die. It's going to be hard for me to record with a low battery, but I definitely feel you guys in here and there. But for my second dose, I got you guys. For my second dose, I will definitely give you guys a full-on vlog. But yeah, I'm going to get vaccinated. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am not scared because I'm a G. I'm not scared, I'm just a bit nervous. Yeah, there's a difference between being scared and nervous. I hope, I think. But yeah, I am not scared, because if I was scared, I wouldn't be doing it. I wouldn't think of doing it. I'm just nervous as it regards to how I'm going to feel after getting the vaccine, or how the needle is going to feel. Like, I'm just nervous, but I'm not scared. If you know, you know. If you understand, you understand. But yes, guys, I'm a nervous ball right now. Yeah, so my battery is at like, oh, I can't see, but my battery was at 54, I think. So I'm gonna give you guys some clips here and there. I don't think I can record the entire thing, but where I can record, I'll fill you guys in as I usually do. Okay, so guys, to the vaccination site. Hey guys, so I just got home. I mean, it was nothing. It was not as bad as I expected it to be.
I feel normal, I feel good, I feel great. I mean, I just got vaccinated, so I don't think I'm supposed to have any reactions as yet. I got injected at 10:02. I remember this time specifically because the nurse was saying like I'm supposed to take note of the time, and she was also saying I should tell her the time because 15 minutes from that time I'm going to be sitting there for a while. And everyone else, once you're getting the vaccine, they're supposed to analyze you for like 15 minutes. I was there for more than 15 minutes because there was a good amount of persons being vaccinated at the time, so the nurse had to write up everybody's card, the vaccination card, and give the first dosers their dose, give the second dosers their dose. So I was there for a good minute because it is now 11:23, and as soon as I got vaccinated, I sat there for a while, over the 15 minutes. I waited for the card, and I just got home literally like 11:20. It's now 11:23, but I just got home like 11:20, about 3 minutes ago. And I just decided to give you guys an update. It wasn't as bad. I was expecting it to be way worse than it was. It was good. On the vaccination part, it was good because I didn't feel when the needle was going inside. I didn't feel anything. Even right now, I'm not feeling anything because, like I said, I literally got vaccinated about an hour ago. I would never influence anyone to do what they don't want to do, or I would never like just say go ahead, do it. Everybody's body is different, everyone's experience is different. That is my little update, guys. Stay tuned. I am on my way to get my second vaccination, guys, so I just wanted to give you an update. So let's go. Rafaya Ennevor.
Ennevor?
Yes, thank you. Okay, so guys, I'm leaving now to go home.
That is it from me in today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.